Hello guys, in this video I will gonna tell you how to edit videos like others. So let's start this video. So first of all, what we have to do, first we need to have to check our system requirements, which is based on which is supported by the application or what. Let's first, you should have a good processor like i5 4th or something. Let me show you about my GPU. This let me tell you what's my I have my GPU. Let it open. Okay, so I have GT7 NVIDIA GeForce GT 710 with good VRAM and good bandwidth. The minimum requirement is around 20 gigabytes of bandwidth, but 40 I have 40, so it's good. Let's you have to what you should have to install like a particular video editor like OpenShot. I have OpenShot is a very good video editor here. Let me tell you how to install it. First you have to open your browser, any browser like Chrome, Edge, Opera, any other you have installed. Okay, but maintain you should have also have a good speed. So first let's continue to install. So let's first what you have to should have opened the browser. Open browser, here you go, type OpenShot, let you type OpenShot only. Okay, like OpenShot, enter. As you type OpenShot, click on the first link here. Yep, then click on like this version. Then I haven't installed this. Okay. Now you have to open the video editor. This the interface. This will be the interface. Wait, let me like first draw it here. Okay, this is the tab. Okay, now how to do it? First, this will be the interface, which is very easy. Okay, then update is available, but this is the interface. Okay, it's very transition effects and emojis, everything is given here. First, you have to open the project files or what. Their video, audio tab are available. We'll just sort them first. Let's click on import file. Go on where you store your videos and other files. Go like I have stored like my here. I take some for just for tutorial, like I will have select some videos, like just wait first it selects some videos like this, and okay, not this and open. Now this opens here. Let me reduce the frame limit, or we can say frame time. Okay, then now drag the video here like this. Let's reduce its size like this will be the interface on here
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
I mean, it's alright.
Okay, this is here. You can see it's
Woo!
it was these all are means installed.
Perfect.
Now just one thing, just this is the timeline, and this drag this another video to here. Now just reduce its size here and here. Yeah, let's start it.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
I mean it.
Okay. Now, many people are thinking that how to create like side by side edits for like side by side edits. How to do them? So first you have to download like I have some. First let me show you the video I edited before. Wait, let me think. Wait, let me close it. I have stored the video file like this is my edit, which this is my edit, which is on YouTube before. This is here. This is the video edit which I have made it earlier. This is my video edit. Which video I have edited like this. Now you think now this video have that example I showed you. Now here the people are thinking that how I edit the videos like this side by side animation, like these are the videos I used to make this side by side animation. As you can see on this like this, I put it another, but it is covering the video. How it is running in like this half screens? Now many people will wonder about that. So let me tell you something was how I edit this. For this I have to open another one for this. Let's open another for this edit. So let me tell you, I will gonna tell you how to edit like that. I have opened another tab. Let's open our files from here. I have opened another my videos. Here are the videos. Click on this, drag it down here, and it is another, drag it down here. Now how will we gonna edit these videos? Like you can see it's covering the both sides. Then how will we gonna edit the video? This is simple. We have to do nothing. Hi, yeah, but you have to like this first, this video covering this one. So how we gonna edit? Many people are thinking, I'm just repeating the words so that you don't leave them. First make sure that you remove this, otherwise it will turn into an animation due to the like timeline. It happens due to when the other tracks videos are connected. So let's go open the properties. So click on the properties, sometimes so this will appear here. Now you can see how to edit this one. You can see the preview of this, the you can see resolution of the video or scale. Now how to make it side, you can see as the location X we can use to like make it like this. Now you can see this is like this. In the video you can see it's like this, big hair size. Now this is the location. Now thinking how to reduce the size. This is the scale. This you reduce scale to 0.50 if you make a shorter frame like this. The preview of the that video is like this. Now how to bypass, like now we again go on a scale and like just change its location. It will came here. Okay, now it will came here. Now it's done. Now it is done. Now this video is done. Now we will select this also. We just put that side. As you can see it's came like this of this video. Now this we will wanna this video, so we will just gonna edit on the scale this of this video of this, and then also change this 0.50 is the minimum. Yeah, you can say it doesn't matter of 0 you are putting, that doesn't matter. 0.50 it doesn't matter, same to 0.5. Now we'll go on location, we will drag it here and then done. Now you have to do just nothing and this done. Just remove the properties panel. Now we'll add like this. Okay, wait, put this video under this. Now we'll gonna see. Now you can see the video are as you can see this. Wait a second, it's a bit earlier. Okay, let's no problem. It was just a tutorial, that nothing. Oh, just